Welcome to Dorman Product's installation video for our Jeep Wrangler vacuum pump relocation kit. This kit was designed to relocate the failure-prone electric vacuum pump from its position behind the front bumper to a higher, less vulnerable location in the engine bay for greater durability, especially on vehicles that see more extreme conditions. We're installing this kit on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler that has been modified by its owner. The procedure will be essentially the same for unmodified vehicles. This installation is considered medium difficulty and may take an hour to an hour and a half to perform. Start by removing the two left side fender bolts behind the PCM bracket. Then remove the front mounting bolt for the ABS pump. Set this hardware aside for reassembly later. Locate the upper vacuum hose located near the upper radiator hose. Separate the two halves of the hose at its connector and remove the connector. Then move the rear section of the hose out of the way. Cut the zip tie securing the vacuum hose to the air conditioning manifold. Release the quick disconnect to remove the vacuum hose from the original vacuum pump. Remove the bolt securing the vacuum pump to its mount behind the front bumper. Pry the wiring harness retaining clip from the bracket, then unplug the harness from the pump. To simplify removing the original pump and hardware, separate the hose from the pump at the check valve. The pump can be removed ahead of the sway bar and the original vacuum hose and breather tube can be pulled through and removed. Locate the original vacuum pump wiring harness and plug the extension harness from the kit into it. Then feed it up to the engine compartment behind the radiator. Install the new vacuum pump assembly in position, securing it to the fender using the original fender bolts and to the ABS bracket using the original bracket bolt. Connect the new pump to the original vacuum hose. Connect the wiring extension harness to the vacuum pump, snap the clip to the mounting bracket, and secure the wiring using new zip ties. If at any point you have issues, the Dorman Technical Support Team is standing by to help.